What's up guys, welcome back to my channel Till Now TV. This is Elsa. So in today's video we will learn some strategy which can be used in Bank Nifty Future and Nifty 50 Future. So guys, you know that nowadays during lockdown market is much more volatile than previous historical data. You can take data of before 1 or 2 3 years, that then you can compare from today's market with past market, and you would find lots of changes in between. Okay, so this video is specific in for future in both indices, bank nifty and nifty. So in previous video I also described everything and explained well about two brokers, uh, whatever amount is required, or whatever amount should be available in your broker amount through which you can sort or buy bank nifty and nifty future. So as today we will only learn that what kind of a strategy can be applied for future, and how would you get huge profit, how you can make a huge profit by using these strategy. So uh, as I told previously that this in this lockdown, actually market is very volatile. So guys, you can get benefit, you can take it as an opportunity through which you can uh, make lots of profit by investing very less amount of money. So we would know about how we can make lots of money, or we can get a huge profit by investing little bit. So as I told you, in Upstox and Astha broker, and we compared Bell, these two brokers, and we saw that Astha broker is very cheap. Okay, its services are good, and its requirement for amount, that means what the ledger amount should be in your account, that is very less. You can sort or buy bank nifty future and nifty future in very little amount of money. In Upstox, we saw that we have to invest, or in our account of stocks account there is necessary to have almost 21,000 or something rupees to sort one lot of bank nifty or nifty 50 future. But in Astha traders you need to have only and only 4,000 or 4,200 rupees to sort or buy these two indices futures. Okay guys, so let's come to the point. About first we would just remind, I would like to remind the brokerage amount, okay, of Astha, and later on I will explain that how it is beneficial and how we can take it, and this is an opportunity, and in lockdown volatility, how volatility can be uh, an opportunity for investors. And second thing I wanted to say, that risk, okay, you must have to be risk lover. Okay, you must have to be risk lover, because if you want to get profit, if you wish to get profit, everyone, each and everyone in share market, those people who comes with their first motive is to gain profit. So if you have wishes, or if you have an ambitions to gain profit, then you must have what should I say, you must have courage, or guts. You must have guts to bear losses also guys. Actually, I have seen that many people enters into the market without having proper knowledge or proper paper trading, and they get lots of losses, guys. Even I have been also went through this process also. I lost also lots of money, but I am saying all these things because I don't want anyone to be repeated it and uh, go through which huge losses, guys. So when somebody enters into the market, he have the same ambition as you have to gain profit. If someone is losing his amount, his or her amount, and someone is gaining his or her gaining profit, okay. So if you are gaining and getting loss, then somebody, those who have placed order opposite to your order, like if you have bought if you have bought bank nifty future and somebody sold it, then if market is going down, then you would get loss and someone else will get profit. So everyone have the same motive, guys, to gain lots huge profit only. Nobody wants to get losses now. Okay, so let's go to the point that yesterday I told you that only 4,000 or some amount was actually required in Astha trade to sort out the one lot of future and why they won out lot of future. So here, guys, see that only 4,190 rupees is required to sell 75 quantity of bank nifty, not bank nifty, nifty, guys. Okay, you would have to only this amount, and you can sort it, sell it, or you can even buy it also. So just imagine that if market is much more volatile and you have just sorted it, like when market is at what level, just see it here. What's the price of nifty? mm, Nifty, there is no nifty. Yeah, this is the nifty, no? Okay, this is the October's nifty. So you can settle. No, this is not the. Wait for some. No, this is different one. October nifty. This is called input. Let's nifty. I am searching nifty future. Okay, this one. I want to edit. Okay, go back and see here. Here is the nifty. Yeah, this one. Guys, you can see that this is the price. If you have sorted it at this price, okay, that is 11,467, and you have invested only 4,000. How much? 4,190, or we can in lump sum we can say it like 4,200. Okay, 4,200 rupees only. Just imagine that if market came into your favor, if you have sorted it at 11,467 and it came down at 11,420 or 11,427, okay, then it means you are getting only 30 points. How much? 30 points multiplied by 75. Within a minute, guys, you can uh, gain this amount. Okay, and multiply it, and you can see that 5 and okay, that much, 2,250 rupees. That is more than 50% of your investment. Okay, so like this you can take this opportunity because no broker is providing this facility except Astha broker. Astha broker is the only broker which is giving lots of margin and loss, and very few amount, very less amount can be used to sort or buy any indices future. Okay, so what should be the strategy? Okay, to sort it or to buy it, then what strategy we should apply in future. Okay, for future. Okay, come to the point, guys. I would like to use calculator, and this is the calculator. Here you can see that as we took an example like we were getting only 30 points of when we had sorted it, we were getting only 30 points, and we were getting profit of almost 2200 rupees. Okay, so there are two things which I would like to remind you people, that there can be two situations. One is market is unexpected. Second thing is after 3 days, 5 days of downfall, market take up upside moving. Okay, up upside moving direction, or by 5 or 4 days upside moment it took a downside momentum. Okay, so you have to be specific here, like you would use your common sense that what kind of direction there might be. Okay, if you are using a normal predictions like you can use, like as I said, that for 5 days market was moving upside, and one day it came down for 500 or 600 or 1000 points in bank nifty. So that opportunity you can use. Okay, so guys, come to the example. I would like to take bank nifty for example. Okay, come to the option. Here is the bank nifty, this is the bank nifty, and how much actually bank nifty September's future price is 22,538. Okay, 22,538. And what is the amount is required to place this order? We can say is yesterday I tried to place this order after market order, and we saw the amount how much it actually required. It was required about 4096 rupees. Okay, 4096 rupees, guys. If you have 4096 rupees, you can sort it one lot of bank nifty, even you can buy one lot of bank nifty future. Okay, so here strategy is, if you have 4000 rupees, okay, 4000 rupees, and the you can predict a market, you are very sure about that market can move upside today or tomorrow. Okay, there are some news that tomorrow market will go upside. Okay, fine. if you have guts if you have guts to bear risk about 2500, that means for only 100 point. Okay, only 100 point for 2500 rupees loss. Investment is 4000. Okay, guys. So what did you see? We saw that we need to invest only 4000 rupees. Our stop loss as well. That means a risk. We have to take a risk that is only about 2500 rupees risk. Okay, and when you take 2500 rupees risk, that means your stop loss should not be more than 100 points. If your stop loss is 100 points and the market hit or bank nifty hit your stop loss, then you should quit the market for that day. Okay, but if you are quite sure that market can move, go upside or downside, then you have to take this risk. Okay, this risk for huge profit. For how much profit? For like if you are waiting for 300 points, you want 300 point multiplied by 25, that means 7500 rupees profit you want to earn from the fluctuating market. Okay, for that you should be quite sure about the market direction little bit, because if you are expecting that market will go upside and it uh, it came down again for more than 5, it's sure that you would get losses. But if you are not a risk lover and you don't want to get huge profit by taking risk, a huge risk, high risk, then you should not be greedy, and you should be little bit satisfied with the amount you are getting, or whatever the profit you are getting, like 600, 800, or 7,000, 700, 1,000, 1,600 something. Then you have to put stop loss about 2,500 hours. Okay, the same stop loss would be here, but sometime, as you can see, that when you place the order, market go into your favor. Okay, and suddenly it goes to opposite of your prediction. Then uh, you think that why did I not book the profit when I was in profit, like this situation. Okay, so your stop loss should be 2,500 and your expected profit should be 7 to 1,000 only. Don't be greedy. And this is sure that in one week, every week, you can take 4 to 5 orders, and in 4 to 5 orders you can earn 4,000 to 5,000 rupees by not having greediness. Okay guys, so what did you learn that in this lecture, in this video? What did you learn that greediness and risk taker? Okay, you are taking risk of about 2,500, you are taking risk of 2,500 and getting profit of 7,500. Okay, this is the risk. Second thing, you want to take a risk about this, and your target profit is 700 only, so put the limit and get this. It's very easy to get it, because when market go towards your favor, you are getting profit. Then if it exceeds 700, 800, or like this, you should book, would have to book the profit and go out from the market. In case you are not booking the profit, and you are not pretty sure about the direction of market, you didn't read candle, then it's sure that you would go to the losses. So don't be greedy, just book profit at 700 and go out from the market. Okay, leave the market for that day. But if you are a risk lover, you are taking a risk of 2,500, and you want to get huge profit, then you have to wait uh, till the market is hitting your stop loss, or till market is till you achieve your target. There are two things. That first one is till the market hit your SL. Your SL is 2,500. Second one, till the market go into your favor and you achieve your target. Okay, when you achieve your target, this is sure that automatically you would book your profit and go out from the market. But instead of that, if market go in went inverse to your prediction, then you would have to take losses about 2500 and just quit trading for that day. Okay, so in these two strategy I wanted to explain it, like two types of people. One is greedy, not greedy. One is risk taker and greedy with fixed target. Second one is cowards, are not greedy and they have a fixed target also, but not a big target. They have a small target. Okay, guys. So you have a small target. You can earn every day 7 to 1000 rupees, 700 to 1000 rupees. If you are greedy and you can take a risk of 2500, then you can get a huge profit that is more than 7000, 10,000, like that. Everything depends on your everything depends on your what market. Okay, so I hope that this video is beneficial to those people who wish to trade in future and those who are trading in future and getting huge losses every day. They can just take risk of 2500 and make huge money. And those who are small traders, they can just take a risk of 2500 and they can take a risk of 2500 with small risk. Okay, but high possibility of profit. They have small risk of losing their money, that is 2500, but they have 70% chances to win or to get there, to book their profits. Okay, so this was my motive, this was my experience also. You can say I lost before applying this strategy many times. I losses a lot in future and option and cash, equity, derivatives. Everywhere I lost, but through Astha, actually I recovered the losses, main losses. I recovered much amount from Astha trading because it is not expensive much. Okay, yes, we can say that its brokerage is high. Guys, when you sort out, when you buy one lot of Nifty or Bank Nifty, one lot of Nifty, then 375 rupees you have to pay brokerage. But if you are buying or selling one lot of Bank Nifty, you would have to pay only 1125 rupees as a brokerage. So guys, this is not too much, but yes, it is little bit, we can say, expensive in comparison to brokerage with other brokers, because Upstox only takes 20 rupees, 20 rupees for future, one lot of future, and here it is Astha is taking 375, that is much more higher than Upstox. But we can say, we can see that in Astha we need to have almost 21,000 rupees in our account, brokerage account, to sort or buy one lot of Bank Nifty or Nifty Future. But in Astha trading, you would have to have only and only 4 4,000 rupees. Okay guys, so this is what I wanted to share with you people, and I hope it helped you people a lot with your targets and your investment. Your investment is important. Your literally your money is much more important. If you have saved your money from getting losses, then you can recover it in future. But in hurry up, if you are doing all these things in fast way or in hurry up, then there are high chances that you would lose your money. First study and go through your study and your expectations through which you can earn. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for giving your time and listening me. Thank you so much. Thank you.